Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. This is going to be my first review for my Sips by subscription. They were kind enough to reach out and ask me if I was interested in checking out this box, trying a bunch of different teas, and I of course said yes, because who doesn't love a good cup of tea? So before I get any further into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let's get right into this Sips by tea unboxing. Alright you guys, so if you've never heard of Sips by before, what it is a monthly subscription box for tea. So you know how they have beauty ones? Well, they've got tea ones as well. So this is my personal box. You get 4 new teas every month sent to you. You never know what it is. It's a mystery box, which I kind of love. I love a little surprise every now and then. But they send you 4 teas based on a custom tea quiz that you take in the beginning. And they give you some new teas to try. It is 15 bucks a month, but they were kind enough to give me a code to share with you guys to get you $5 off of your first box of the Sips by subscription, and that code is Megan5. So I will put that on the screen obviously, and I will link it in the description box down below, along with the link to their website so you can check it out, see if it's something you're interested in. And I definitely recommend it because it's kind of a fun little box. Alright you guys, so let's open it up. When you open the box, this is what I'm seeing, and it says July Teas. And this is the card that they send. It says made for Megan, and it has information on all of the teas that you get in this box. So let's go through it. First of all, I'll show you what it looks like without the card. It just has all your teas laid out in there. And the first tea on the card is the organic goji green refreshing superfood fruit tea from David's Teas. This is, it just kind of gives you instructions on how to make it. It is low caffeine too, so if you're not a huge fan on the low caffeine thing, this is a good tea for you. If you're not a good fan of high caffeine, then this is a good tea for you. That's what I meant. And it is a green tea with, oh god, I'm just gonna pick it up here because there's no way, like, I just can't do that. It is a green tea with rose hips, orange peel, hibiscus, goji berries, black currants, raspberries, stevia extract, natural pomegranate flavoring, and it's all organic. It's a memory boosting tea with anti-aging powders. Goji berries are super good for you. And they're blended with green tea, literally like what I just said. And you can get 20% off of this specific tea with the code Sips by David's Tea, and their Instagram is David's Tea. So check that out. I'm gonna start brewing this one. It is a loose tea, which is one thing that's really nice about Sips by, is that they will send you a reusable like tea bags, so you can go ahead and use all of your teas. They just look like this, little bags, and they've got the little guys on the edge like so. And I don't have any measuring things, so we're gonna guess. I am very chaotic. And I've got, oh my god guys, this smells so good. Whew. This smells literally delicious. Okay, we're just gonna get a little bit in the little bag. You're supposed to use it with 8 ounces of water. I already kind of like filled my cups with hot water, so hopefully that's okay. And I'm gonna kind of just eyeball it here. I feel like that's good. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, so there it is with my tea in it. I'm so excited to try this actually. And it just kind of seals up like so. And then it steeps for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to put 3 to 4 minutes on a timer. Actually, I'm just going to put 4 minutes on a timer because I like mine a little bit stronger. So we're going to do 4 minutes and 0 seconds. So start. Get in there, sink on down, and that one is going to go ahead and go in the rose guy. So let's talk about the next tea. Alright, so the next one here is the Masala Chai Matcha Sips by Tipson Tea. So I think it's a collaboration between Sips by and Tipson. It's a medium caffeine tea, and it is has matcha, green tea, black pepper, ginger, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, cardamom, natural chai flavor, all organic again. So this one to me seems like it's going to be spicy. I don't know a whole lot about tea. I just know I really like it. But it seems like it'll be a little bit spicier. It steeps for 3 to 5 minutes. It is antioxidant rich. It has the matcha in it, obviously. And it's good post-meal, or also good as a iced tea, so maybe I'll have to try that. But first, let's just, get to it. So this one is pre-packaged, so this is what this one looks like. Let's just open her up. Ooh. I feel like this would be good like when you have a cold, right? Because it's got those spices in it that'll kind of like clear out your throat. But let's just pop this into my dorm suite dorm mug. And so I'm going to start a stopwatch for that, and we'll steep that for about 4 minutes as well. Clearly I'm really good at this. Next up, while that one is steeping, we have the Sunny Sangria Black Tea, which I was like, heck yeah, dude. Sangria tea, I'm in. So this one is black tea with blackberries, pineapple cubes, mango cubes, pineapple and mango flakes, orange slices, freeze-dried tangerine, orange pieces, safflower, I don't know what that is, marigold blossoms, freeze-dried strawberry slices, and blackberry leaves. So I think I'm really gonna like this one. It's very natural flavors, high caffeine. Yes, ma'am, love high caffeine. And you can get 10% off with code SIPSBY at favatea.com. And it's just a really light citrusy one. And it also makes a great iced tea. So maybe we'll have to make iced tea but like I'm not going to do it on camera because me trying to figure out that is like a whole nother thing. But they did also include this really awesome like iced tea making guide in it. So check that out. Like that's nice. That's just a kind thing to do. Alright, so and my other ones are going. My goji green one is really looking good. It's a very deep purple color, which is cool. And then my matcha one's obviously green. This one is another loose tea, so let's get another bag out and make another cup of tea. Boop. This one smells super good as well. It reminds me of like fruit roll-ups. I don't know, don't ask me why that reminds me of fruit roll-ups, but it does. So we're gonna seal that up, and we're gonna dunkaroo that into my to unfortunate circumstances, I'm awake cup. Okay, that one is going, and that one steeps for 3 minutes. And we're gonna start that guy. This one just smells so good. Finally, our last tea to steep is the Organic Assam Black Tea, which looks like this. Just comes in this clear bag, and it has organic black tea, and that's it. So heck yeah, I love black tea. It's a very high caffeine, love it. So it's just a really malty flavor, and you're supposed to enjoy it with milk and sweetener. And of course, I didn't bring any of that, so I'm just gonna drink it straight. And you can get 50% off orders of 30 plus with code SIPSBY, so that's good. And yeah, so that's all that information again, and I'm going to actually type this all out in the description box of the video, so if you want more information, check out down there and you can get everything that you need. This one is supposed to steep for 4 minutes. Ooh, she's strong. Oh gosh. They're gonna watch this video and be like, why did we pick her for this? Well, you know what? I don't know either. Oh, God. At the end, I'm actually gonna rate the teas and see which one's my favorite. And the best thing about SIPSBY is that after you receive your teas for the month, you try them out, you can actually leave comments on how you like the teas, and let them know that you don't want any more teas like that, or you want more teas like the other ones. So that's really cool. They keep it really custom to what you like and give you mystery teas of what you might like every month. So it's not just like random, like, oh, why am I getting this? Because I hate that kind of tea type of thing. So that's cool. This is what the tea bag looks like, if anyone was wondering. While that final one is steeping, I'm going to go ahead and give some of them a try and give you my thoughts as the tea connoisseur I am. That's a joke. Alright, so this is the Organic Goji Green by David's Tea, which, as a reminder, so I don't spill it, is this guy. Smells so good. Super fruity, which makes sense. And it's also a green tea, which I do like green tea. So let's give it a try. Ooh, that's good. That would be so good as like an iced tea too. Whew. It doesn't say like it could be an iced tea, but like I say it could be an iced tea. This tastes really good. It actually reminds me of the passion tea, passion tango tea. Wow, I talk so weird. The passion tea from Starbucks, just in a hot version. It smells so good. Like I would want to wear this scent on my body for the rest of my life. I like this. Like I feel like this could put me to sleep. This is low caffeine as well, so this is something you could drink before bed and not, you know, be up all night. But yeah, I really, really like this one. I don't know what else to say about tea other than that it tastes good and that I like it. But yeah, I really, really like this one. If you like really like natural, like fruity flavors, this one is really good. It smells so good. On to our matcha tea. So this is a masala chai matcha tea, the one with Sips by and Tipsin. Matcha green tea, black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon. This is gonna clear out your sinuses. So I'm just gonna give it a smell. This has a smell like, there's a candle that smells like this. I don't know what it's called though, so let's give it a little sip. Doesn't really taste like much. It tastes good though. It's like really earthy. Like if you like something that has more spice to it than citrus, or it's not like flowery or anything like that, this might be a good tea for you. This might be a good tea for you. It's actually really good. Like this was the one I was worried about not liking because it does have all the spices in it and I've never tried anything with that in it, but it actually, I feel like this would just give me so much warmth if I had a cold, and it would just really like clear out the throat, the sinuses that might be gross, but you know, when you feel that way, that's, you want to try anything. This tea, the Goji Green one, I rate a 9 out of 10 because it was really good, and I give this one an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, this one was medium caffeine. At the end of this video, I'm gonna be very high caffeine. All right, so none of my teas are steeping anymore, and I've tried 2 of them. So let's try the Sunny Sangria black tea. All right. This one again smells really good. I think I'm really into fruity teas. Like I've never really had them before, but like I'm really into fruity teas. This would be so good as an iced tea. This is the sangria one, and it even says there that you can make a great iced tea. You could even make sangria with this. I'm just saying. Only if you're 21 though. You have to be legal age to drink. Just want to point that out. I really like citrus things, so like oranges are like my favorite, and there is orange like stuff in the tea itself, as well as like mango, so that's yummy. I don't know like when you drink this, but this is just, I would be interested to try this as an iced tea because of like just the different notes in it. But I really like it. Like it's really good as a hot tea too, but I think I would almost prefer it as like as a iced tea. I'm gonna give this one a 7.5 just because I think I would prefer it as an iced tea. Time for the black tea. So this one's going to be the most harsh out of all of them, obviously, because it's a black tea, but I like black tea. Finally, we've got our organic Assam black tea. Let's go ahead and give it a whirl. The only black tea I had before this was Earl Grey because I love Earl Grey and because I lived in London for 6 months, so shocker. Yeah, this just tastes like a typical black tea to me. Yeah, not a whole lot of flavor to it. Obviously, there's not a bunch of notes behind it. It's just black tea. So if you like black tea, you would probably like this. It's pretty high quality, I think. And it does say that this black tea comes from India. So Assam is like a region of India. I would give this a probably 8.75 out of 10. It is a really good black tea. There's nothing really exciting about it. It's black tea. You can put milk in it. Love putting milk in tea. But yeah, so not anything too exciting, but overall very good. So I've tried all the teas, and as my first Sips By box, I'm really impressed. I honestly was so scared that I wasn't gonna like any of the teas that I got, but I genuinely like all of them, and I'm really impressed by the box itself and that it's only $15 a month and you get at least 15 cups worth of coffee. This is tea, Megan. You're in a tea unboxing. Get your crap together. I'm just really impressed overall that they took my information from the tea quiz and actually curated a box that I would thoroughly enjoy. I'm a really big fan of all of these, and I really can't wait to see what I get in my August box. I can't, like, honestly can't wait. And I probably will be purchasing more of these teas, especially the Goji Green organic one from David's Tea and the Sunny Sangria Fava tea one. I really want to try both of these out as iced tea as well. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely a different one for this channel, but I hope you guys like that, and maybe I can expand into more tea type videos in the future, because that's something that I've done before. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell, and check out Sips By Tea. Leave the link in the description. Get your own box. You can get $5 off, Megan5. Use that code. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. And take that tea bag. We're gonna take that tea bag out. Excuse me. She's gonna sister sit off to the side. Why did I say that? I don't even watch James Charles. Get on out. Get on out. It's time to get out of the little tea hot tub.